Hello students, I am Amit, your maths teacher, and today we are going to do class 10th maths unit 15 exercise 15.1 question number 18. In this question we are given a box contain 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, we need to find the probability that this disc will bear a 2-digit number, a perfect square, and a number divisible by 5. We know that probability of any event E is number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. So now first we need to find the probability that the disk which we have taken out from the box, it bears a 2-digit number. So our event will be a 2-digit number. Now total outcomes are, there are 90 disks, so total outcome will be 90. Now favorable outcome. From 1 to 90, how many 2-digit numbers are there? 10 is the first 2-digit number. So from 10 to 90, there are 81 numbers which are 2-digit numbers. So favorable outcome will be 81. So the probability for getting a 2-digit number will be, probability of event E1 will be favorable outcome divided by total outcome, 81 upon 90. After simplification we got 9 upon 10. This is the answer of first part. Now second part. Second part, a perfect square number. Now we need to find the probability that when we draw one disk from the box, it bear the number which is a perfect square. So from 1 to 90, how many perfect squares are there? It is 9, right? 1 is perfect square, 4 is perfect square, 9 is perfect square, 16 is perfect square, 25 is perfect square, 36, 49, 64 and 81. So total 9 perfect squares are there. So here we will write event is getting a number which is a perfect square. So total outcome remains same, which are 90. Now favorable outcomes will be 9. So probability of event E2 will be 9 upon 90. After simplification we got 1 upon 10. Now third part. In third part we need to find the probability that if we take out one disk from this 90 disk, it bears a number which is divisible by 5. So event 3 will be getting a number divisible by 5. Again total outcomes will be 90. Favorable outcomes will be 1 to 90. There are 18 numbers which are divisible by 5. So favorable outcome will be 18. So probability of event E3 will be favorable outcome divided by total outcome. After simplification we got 2 upon 10, or we can say 1 upon 5. So this is the answer of question number 18.